Hello, this is Regina, and I wanted to respond to that letter I received from Michael in 2002 with my own poem called The Horizon Turns a Red Hue. A woman walks at dusk as the sunlight fades on the longest day. She moves through the garden cycle, the red rose folding its petals as night falls. The warm night breeze kisses her cheeks. Moonlight illuminates the garden. She gazes at the night sky, stars twinkling in recognition, sensing the one who is coming. So she shapes this for you, wishing the cycle of love to renew. Blue seed under wiper, 2002. Red bloom mirrored back, 2025. The field didn't demand I settle. It commanded I expand the vow. Maybe always was paradise.